So at this point, I just want to share a little bit about how you all might be involved. We have a little bit of a break before our next session from Tim German. So we'll tell you a little bit about analytics and data Oracle user community. You can submit your abstracts. We'll do another TechCast demo days coming up in the fall. You'll see that we're announcing the dates coming up. But we do want to know, definitely hear from you. We have an email address at info@andouc.org where you can submit your abstract if you want to submit for doing either TechCast demo days or TechCasts. We tend to run these every 2 weeks or so. And so you'll see webinars, if you will, we call them TechCasts. You can get involved in the community through multiple different places, our website at andouc.org, our Slack workspace at join ANDOUC Slack off of bit.ly. There's a link to our YouTube channel. We have a newsletter out. We're on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and you can also join the spatial and graph SIG of the ANDOUC as well. A little plug for the Slack workspace. We have a channel in there called Analytics. You'll see other channels there as well for things like graph, spatial, machine learning. And in that, you'll see conversations that people are having about various different things they've discovered, questions they have in running projects, that type of thing. We encourage you to join us and kind of, ask your questions. I'll even point out real quick, there's one of the Oracle people, they are on here as well. This is my Slack workspace. Brendan popped up in here from Oracle, inviting everybody to Oracle Analytics Summit coming up June 12th through 15th. If you're interested in that, send him an email. I don't know if they still have space, but you can contact him if you want to hear it. It's a fantastic event taking place just in mid-June at Skywalker Ranch. And you can scroll back up here and see all the other stuff where we're talking about various things, technical papers, topics, talking about, this is where we share the presentations in here as well. Indeed, if I come down here, here's the UiPath presentation already shared. Here's some information on the TechCast. Ada was popping in here. What do you do in terms of the YouTube pages? Tim put some stuff in here about some stuff for HTML color picker from W3 Schools. Here's the presentation we just gave earlier on. It's all out here in the Slack workspace. If you want to pick them up and you want to not have to wait for the website to be updated, join us on ANDOUC and Slack, and all this stuff is up there for you. So let me come back in and show you a couple of ways to get involved while everybody takes a break. Then we'll have Tim joining us from German in just a moment here. You can get our merchandise with whether they be our water bottles or the color changing mug that you can get on this. We also have some links in here if you want to understand some of the demos that were shown and such. You can run OAC Live. This is available now from Oracle. You don't even need a cloud account to run this. It's freely available, no login required on here. There's more information on Oracle Analytics if you want to learn about that. Obviously, one of the technologies we especially use. So with that, let me try and get this keyed up to introduce Tim German. That's our next presentation in here. So let me find his presentation in here.